Jai Bharat, my dear student.
Jai Bharat, ma'am.
Welcome to Selwell program for the academic year 2024-25.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you ready to participate in this program?
Yes, ma'am.
All the best. Affectionately.
AFFECTIONATLY.
Combination.
COMBINATION.
Correct. Difference.
DIFFERENCE.
Correct. Presentation.
PRESENTATION.
Correct. Classification.
CLASSIFICATION.
Correct. Education.
EDUCATION.
Correct. Mathematician.
MATHEMATICIAN.
Very good. Sequence.
SEQUENCE.
Correct. Operation.
OPERATION.
Correct. Compulsory.
COMPULSARY.
Correct. Deforestation.
DEFORESTATION.
Correct. Department.
DEPARTMENT.
Correct. Expectations.
EXPECTATION.
Correct. Pesticides.
PESTICIDES.
Correct. Remembered.
REMBERED.
Correct. Repetition.
REPETATION.
Wrong. Parliament.
PARLIAMENT.
Correct. Prohibited.
PROHIBITED.
Correct. Urbanization.
URBAINA.
Wrong. Your last word is evaporation.
EVAPORATION.
Very good. Are you ready to give the answers to your GK questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are the two major weapons used by Gandhi?
Peace and non-violence.
Very good. Which are the interior layers of Earth?
Crust, mantle, core.
Very good. What is the full form of PDE? Sorry, PDF.
Pause.
Pause. When do we celebrate the Human Rights Day?
December 10th.
Very good. Which is the scientific term for the kneecap?
Iris. Iris.
Wrong. You did very good. What is your opinion about this program?
I felt very happy. Thank you, ma'am.